Deepin, Chinese Deepin OS, new version show Deepin 23 beta, 6.1 kernel. Now I'm showing to you that about the Deepin, the repository is now they want to change to be a rooted repository and not relying on the Ubuntu or Debian for the root. So they won't stick to the Ubuntu upstream, so that they will have to create the own root and own repository, so there are no more softwares and so many dependencies issues, so that it's difficult for you to install the softwares like NeoFlash. There are no, and also Vania, the remote RDP, also no. So one solution is for the Distrobox. It's like Windows WSL. It's like Windows, Linux under Windows, but here is Linux under Linux using Apartment and Docker wrapper script. It's like the Docker and container technique, so that you run the other Linux, other Ubuntu on the Deepin, so that you can solve the problem of the lack of software dependency or something. So Distrobox, you run it. It's like a software because it's very light, because using the container technology is not virtualization, not VM. So the host is still Deepin for the kernel running. So it's very efficient. So sudo apt install Distrobox, and then Distrobox create Ubuntu, and their image already ready to go for you to download, and Distrobox enter Ubuntu, and you can enter the Ubuntu. So they share the OS, the host Deepin, and the network environment, the network routing, the bridge, so that you can have the network ping. You can ping to the outside network, internet you can use, and the GUI, or you can share. So now I'm showing the Distrobox to you list, and already installed Ubuntu, and already apt-get install Distrobox here. So just Distrobox and type the enter, and at the beginning you just create Ubuntu by pulling the image and install it. Now enter Ubuntu, you can see the Ubuntu, not Deepin, already shifting. And I type the new fetch to prove that the environment now is under Ubuntu, right? 22 and kernel 6.1 also. And this is like a software running on Deepin. So using the Deepin kernel and running this as a software, we packed as the container, pack them as a software like. And I type color paint. You can see I already installed this color paint software, and the GUI popped up immediately under the Deepin environment. Okay, now I exit back to Deepin, and I type color paint. So there is no color paint installed on the Deepin system, as I have proved to you that the color paint is installed only in the Ubuntu. So paste the color paint again. See, I run it. Okay, executed successfully. So sudo apt-get search. I can search the software under Ubuntu. There are many software. So just try it and explain it to you. So Sun login is the site TeamViewer, the Chinese TeamViewer. So that's the story about the container and Docker. It's very good technologies, better than the VM, because the VM they will create another OS for the VM, so it will be slower comparing to container. Container will not create the OS. They just use back the Deepin kernel as the OS, and on the top of it, it's just like software running on Deepin, so it's faster and lightweight and fast and smooth. So this is good. You can see also click Ubuntu on the the dock. You can see also go in. Now is Ubuntu environment, and the color paint on Deepin no, because no is installed. So on this display panel, this display panel, you won't see color paint. So I want to show you to add, right? So color paint here. If you want to add to the Deepin display panel, you can like this Distrobox -export -app color paint under Ubuntu. So there will be appear. It's like this appear color paint and bracket on Ubuntu. So it appear on the Deepin display panel, and also you can use it. So convenient, right? And share the networking same network environment. So see here, Ubuntu on Ubuntu color paint. So it's like the native software. So which solve that you don't have enough software under 23 beta.